Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. Now I must say today is the Jamaica election. And it is a very vibrant election. I am not going to support no candidate in that Jamaican election. All I'm gonna say is I'm a nationalist. Country first, Jamaica first, St. Lucia first. So I am a nationalist. With that said,
it's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them I go on like, them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
now Peanut get fling way down a Balata, and his family is very, very cut up about it. Now, my intel source tell me that this guy here, Peanut, is a big time troublemaker, a shit disturber, and also him give the 5-finger thing. You know them man there with them finger touches, when them see you put down something, them take it up. Now, me go put on me forensic analysis at where Junior Peanut was found. It was in a bushy area. Okay? And what sent off signals to me is the fact that where he was found is near his house. I would like to see the crime scene, which I did see a photo of him on the ground. But I would like to look at footprints and also blood trail. Now, I did notice when I looked at the body, there was really no blood around. So my thing is, was he chopped somewhere else and brought and dumped near to his house? This killing also kind of look a little bit personal. This is no gang killing at all. So this looks a little bit personal. Definitely somebody who know him. There is the first 48 hours. So remember now, people saw him less than 24 hours, you know. So my thing is, the police them need to backtrack where he has been for the last 48 hours. And that would give them a little bit clearer picture. But back to what I was saying, somebody called him and he went to them and something jumped off, you understand, and he ended up getting chopped. It's not like a gun where you get a surprise. It's like, yeah, come talk to it. And we did the attack and then stuff jump off. And that's what I think it is. So right in that little community, his mother is on TV, the auntie, but people in that community know what happened to him. And like I said, my intel tell me that Junior was a very touchy person, like touch people things, a little bit intimidating and loud sometimes. The family describe him as jovial. So, well, his sister also said that in a news clip that he is a little bit troublesome and nobody has the right to kill him. And I feel the same way. I always wonder why we have to make that final decision on somebody, why we can't talk and reason out things. You know what I'm saying? It's like there is no forgiveness, and that's going on everywhere. Now, let's move on. As I was making this video, Intel them coming on the hot wire and let me know that this young man right here has been shot and killed in Marsha. And I know by tomorrow or later in the day I'm gonna have some more information on this guy. But this one right here is a casualty of the gang war going on, the 6th and the 7th. And as you can see, he's a young boy that don't know nothing about badness. His parents them probably can't control him, and him is underneath the hypnotization of the OGs them, the older folks them will have certain vendetta and certain issues with people and send these young boys out to do all sort of things. Now I'm gonna keep my ears to the ground with this one and update you guys, and I'm gonna do a video where I just talk about some of the cases them that happened. The Riley thing, I can't get that out of my mind. The pregnant lady, I can't get that out of my mind. Nikki went missing, them still not find her body. That really bother me. The young boy who get killed, all the enough case. So I am just gonna give a rundown on all those cases in one of my videos coming very soon. Now, who remember this guy?
Yeah, we got that monster. Yeah, just as that monster. Come on. You see him? My brother diamond come, so you holding it? Come, and they have a bad day. Jamaica, come. And bury him next side. Okay, you go come out there. Yeah, look in there. Hold him. Yeah. Alright, so on internet, of course,
that is Plastic Basics, France Theodore, and I am pleased to say that France is doing good. He has changed his life. He has dropped the negative friend. I heard he got married, and he's pretty much doing fishing and, you know, showing tourists certain natural things, how to catch crab and all them things there. And I think it is a good move because, you know, we talk about the negative issues and all of that. And when you see a young man change his life and doing positive things, you have to give him the respect and you have to shout it out. You know, because like me say, me want all of the youth them to put down the violence, the shooting, the this, the that, and, you know, be more positive. And it take a village to raise a kid or raise a child. So when we say kudos to France, him a do him thing, and my youth keep up the good work. Once again, those to France for doing the right thing, and yo, be a good example and a good role model for the young youth them. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.